Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am making blueberry pancakes. They're so easy to make and filled with fresh berries and bursting with flavor. Make sure to stay till the end, I'll be showing you how to also make homemade syrup. In a large bowl, add all the dry ingredients. 1½ cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and give them a quick whisk. Now add all the wet ingredients, 1 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and then mix until fully combined, making sure to not overmix the batter. Now pour the batter in a 24-ounce batter dispenser. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Heat a nonstick pan or griddle on medium heat. If you don't have a nonstick pan, it's okay, just make sure to grease the pan very well. Then you're going to dispense or scoop the batter to shape your pancakes. Then I add the fresh blueberries by dropping them in on top of the pancakes. That way I can evenly distribute them, so everyone gets the same amount of blueberries. The pancakes are ready to flip when you see bubbles on top and the edges are lightly golden. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make homemade syrup. In a glass measuring cup, add half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/3 cup of water, then whisk together. And microwave for 1 minute. Then give it a quick whisk and microwave for 1 more minute. Then let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Okay, so the syrup has been cooling. So I'm going to show you guys 2 ways on how I serve these pancakes. The first way is pretty simple. I just top it off with some blueberries. And then just pour the syrup over. And it looks like that. The second way is my favorite. I put some powdered sugar over. Some blueberries. Oops. Don't do that. And syrup. And some whipped cream over. And voila!
taste test. I'm gonna give this one a taste. This one is my favorite one. Get some whipped cream. So good. With that powdered sugar and with that whipped cream, amazing. And with that homemade syrup, I would definitely try making that. It is so good. I'm gonna take another bite. Get some more syrup. And whipped cream. So good. Well, I am gonna go finish this off. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!